Hey y'all, it's Mary and this is Mary Catherine Loves Cats and welcome. And I was challenged by Shannon Carroll to come up with a holiday drink inspired eye look. So that is what I have done. I've never been challenged to do an eye look before, so this was a lot of fun. Thank you, Shannon, for inviting me or for challenging me. Shannon is a beautiful young lady and she has her channel. She does all kinds of things. She does unboxings and she does Mask Monday. She does Get Ready With Me. She does beautiful makeup. And she also knows a lot about skincare. She's just a great girl to know. So go over and see her. I'll have her in the description. And I'll put her video also of the cocktail that she did. So like I said, I've never been challenged to do an eye look. Well, I don't think so, let alone a cocktail eye look. I don't really get to have cocktails very often. But a cocktail that I've had a long time ago and I really enjoyed is called a Red Ginger Fizz. And it is made with pomegranate juice and vodka and ginger ale. So how I created this look was I went to my ColourPop Wine and Only palette. And this palette, oh, I didn't think about the names of these colors are rather small. So let me see. I used Blanc, B-L-A-N-C, and Play to Wine. And I'll show you those real quick here. Let's see. This is Blanc, B-L-A-N-C. I use that in the corners of my eyes. And I use this center color, which is, what did I say that was called? Play to Wine, this center color. I use that mostly on the outside here. And I used a different palette for above here. I used the, did I show you the palette, y'all? I think I did. Wine and Only ColourPop. And then this is the Golden Hour Beauty for Real. I used on this palette, I used Reflection, which is just this gold shimmer here. This is a gorgeous palette too. I used that on the top, and I did try to deepen this with some of, what is this one called? These are such small words in here, sorry. Mull It Over, which is this beautiful burgundy right here. This palette is beautiful, y'all, I love it. And then to give it a sparkly sort of a look, I decided to use some glitter, which I don't really use very often, as you know, but I used my So Susan Cosmetics, and this is called Poser. This is the Color Trip Poser glitter, and it just shakes out like that. And what I did was I stuck my finger in there and rubbed it around, and I just put it below my brows, if you can see that. So that is my eye look, Red Ginger Fizz. So thank you so much, Shannon, for challenging me. This was a lot of fun. I had to think of something. I was trying to think back to my days, the good old days when I would go out and have a cocktail or two. And you know, it wasn't easy to think of it, but I thought it was a lot of fun. So thank you, Shannon, for inviting me. And Shannon tagged a few other people, so I'm going to tag a few people also. And if I tag you and you don't want to do this, please don't do it if you don't want to. And if I don't tag you and you'd like to do this, please go ahead and do it. It's just put in your title, Holiday Drink Inspired Eye Look, and then that way we'll know that you're doing the challenge. So I am going to challenge Andy Does Stuff, and I'm also going to challenge Ash from Makeup and Chaos. And I'd like to also challenge Laura the Bargain Hunter and Cece Strauss Size Life. So I think it's just a lot of fun, y'all. And there's not, you know, we still got a week or two of holiday going on. So hopefully they'll be able to do it and get their videos up, and y'all will be inspired. And I just thought this was the perfect palette to represent pomegranates and you know, ginger ale and the little sparkle going on. So thanks so much, Shannon, for inviting me to this challenge, or I guess it's not inviting me, but challenging me. You did challenge me. It was a lot of fun, and because I really had to think this through, y'all. So thanks for stopping by, y'all. Count your blessings, and happy holidays.